Welcome to Promenade at Town Center Apartments. Here we are at the Sienna. This is 840 square feet, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Kitchen is here with a nice big wraparound bar, lots of counter space, perfect for entertaining, lots of cabinet space as well, and all of the appliances you see are included. There's a great little corner for an office space with this built-in desk. Very nice big living space, perfect for large furniture. Overhead lighting for what would be your designated dining area. Nice light bright window. And the patio, which is accessible here through the living room. The bedroom is nice and big. Patio accessible through the master bedroom as well. Ceiling fan, perfect for those hot summer months. A nice huge walk-in closet with space above, perfect for storing shoes, luggage, lots of space to hang your clothes. Back out here in the hallway we have your washer and dryer. And then we have your bathroom. Overall, a perfect living space, especially once again if you have that large furniture. Here we are at the Sienna at Promenade at Town Center Apartments. 1 bedroom, 1 bath.